10 Spiritual uses of leaf of life, Tameawu leaf with other 10 health benefits. 10 Spiritual uses of leaf of life, Tameawu leaf. It can be used to get good luck. It can be used to collect a debt. The leaf can be used as love spells. It can be used to get favors from people, work, etc. It can be used as protection against witchcraft. It can be used to overturn curses. It protects you against spiritual marriages. It can be used as protection against any evil eye. It can be used to destroy spells. It can be used to help boost your business. 10 Health benefits of Tameawu leaf, leaf of life. The plant improves sleep quality and general well-being in cancer patients, reducing blood pressure as well as preventing kidney damage, especially in people with high blood pressure, among other therapeutic benefits. It has also been said that the lightly roasted leaves are used against cancer and inflammations. It is also a leaf infusion used for fevers according to Creoles. An infusion is a tea extract or drinks prepared by soaking tea leaves or herbs in liquid. A mixture of this leaf juice with coconut oil is used as a remedy for migraines and headaches. Some indigenous people heat the leaves and apply them topically to boils and skin ulcers. In Ecuador, the leaf of life is used to treat broken bones and internal bruises. Infusion of leaves and stems in cold water is used by indigenous tribes of Peru for the treatment of heartburn, urethritis, fevers, and for all sorts of respiratory conditions. The root infusion is also used in epilepsy. The leaves are known for their anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic activity, anti-hypertensive activity, and anti-tumor activity. Anti-ulcer potentials of the herbal drugs have been reported in various scientific studies. The Tameawu leaf is used in our local homes to treat fungal infections like ringworm and sores.